Now let's take a look at the entire setup. This is an ACS712B current sensor, which can measure maximum of 20 ampere current and it works on the principle of Hall effect. This is an Arduino microcontroller interfaced with an Ethernet shield. Internet access is provided by the Ethernet shield. Wired connections between the Arduino's VCC, ground and analog input pins are correspondingly connected with the current sensor's power supply and output pins. Higher versions of the sensor needs to be used during real-time implementation of this system. Here for demo we are using a bulb as the load across the system, whose power consumption is being measured. Any electrical appliance can be connected. The sensor is to be placed across the live wire of the device or circuit. Connections should be properly insulated, for safety regards. Now let's see how this system functions. Once the power supply to Arduino is turned on, the system starts functioning and the current readings, that is amps RMS, is received from the sensor, along with the information about voltage sampling, and the shape of the wave being a sine wave for AC power supply. All this data is sent to the database by the Ethernet wirelessly over the internet. Our database is on the local machine, that is WAMP server. It can also be hosted globally. MySQL is our database. It has the details about all the registered users and their power consumption statistics. The Android application, Smart Electricity Billing System, has the access to this database. Each user is distinguished by unique meter ID, username and password. The app fetches the data through PHP codes, wherein the calculations are carried out. This estimated billing is displayed on the app whenever an authenticated and registered user requests to view their usage details. This system is an application of IoT, Internet of Things, hence active Internet connection on the smartphone is a prerequisite. Failure of Internet connection is also notified by the system. Now let's see the real-time working of the app. The app is compatible on any versions of Android 4.0 and above. Only a registered user can log in, hence authorized access is provided to each user. When the user enters his username, meter ID and password, login is validated with the data stored in database. Wrong password prompts an error message. Now let's try with the correct password. Login successful. Now the user can view the estimated bill, and the power and energy consumed statistics on his screen, whenever he wants and wherever he wants. Also user can view the graph which shows power consumption over the months. This is helpful for user to keep a check on his usage. The app also alert the user by showing a warning message in case his usage exceeds the power consumption limit set by the system admin. This product is cost-effective as the entire setup costs around 1400 to 1600 rupees only. This system automates the manual bill generation process, proving to be a much smarter, efficient and time-conserving one. To install this setup at your home, all you have to do is just connect the energy meter's output wires across the current sensor. All this is done without tampering the meter. Hence the electrical system is nowhere damaged and the warranty of the meter is not exploited.